Yeah, they usually go after the top three.
Yeah.
Like what I'm gonna edit it. I ain't gonna have no sound. I'm just gonna add some music to it. So I got a haircut yesterday. Today, so I felt pretty special. I love my barber.
You should get your barbers in your skits too.
Okay. So I'm gonna start recording for content, guys. So, anyways,
I stuck around.
I'm gonna go get chopsticks.
Chopsticks?
Yeah, they don't sell chopsticks. This is AnimeBar.
Really?
I'm half Asian and I feel disgraced.
Okay. All right, go get some. Is he going with you?
Yeah, he's gonna go with me.
Yeah, I'm going.
All right. Oh yeah. All right. See you in a bit.
All right. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go get chopsticks because they don't have chopsticks here, and my friend James is gonna come with me. Yeah. So we're at the AnimeBar. Really nice outfit.
Thank you.
So they're having their car meet today, so we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree and get some. We're gonna go get some chopsticks next door. So hopefully they have chopsticks. Hello. Yeah. They would sell it at the utensils, right?
I would assume they would be.
At this point, they should have everything. Let's see. Oh, utensils over here.
Imagine they don't have it.
I am determined to get
I
chopsticks.
shouldn't have said that actually.
Well, I chat GPT'd it. I hope chat didn't dissuade me.
Chopsticks.
Wait, what?
It's toothpicks.
Wonk, wonk, wonk. Okay, chopsticks. They would be forks and spoon. Maybe down here. I am trying to find. Sorry, ma'am. Okay, let's see. At the all the way end of the aisle. Yeah, I don't see it. I'm at the end of this aisle, but I don't see it. Do you see it? They should be around forks and spoons. This might be the kitchen essentials. Oh, maybe they're part of the plastic. Look up here on this side. James is really, really tall.
No, I'm 5'18".
Wait, how tall are you?
5'18".
Oh, so when I told you about that dude.
I don't see it. I would have thought. I don't see
Is it?
normal forks or spoons or anything.
Okay, here's ramen. Oh, I'm so sad if they don't have it. Here we have glasses and stuff. No forks and spoons. You're in the search too. Oh man. Health, beauty. I'm so disappointed. Do you see it, James? Maybe there's a Chinese restaurant around here.
Because there's the forks and spoons.
ChatGPT didn't work out for us. They didn't have it. I'm so sad.
You went all the way down there.
And ChatGPT said that Dollar Tree had it.
Oh, they lied to you.
I know. Dang it.
All right.
All right, so we're gonna go inside. Oh yeah. We're gonna enjoy all that. Bro, it's like the Holy Grail, bro. It's crazy. So make sure we got God's Child, God's_Child 24, and we're gonna get the brothers over there too. So we're gonna go back and forth.
They got stars and all that.
Bro, that is crazy.
Dragonball,
All right, so we got permission to go inside. Let's go. Oh, they got the stars up here. Look at this. Oh, look at the stars. The stars up there too. And then you get the little Goku figurine right there. And then look at Goku action figure right there in the front of the Dragon Ball. Bro, that's crazy. Bro. That is.
Dude, I think it's a Figure Arts too.
That's a Figure Arts one.
So, yeah.
It looked like a single one, so I think that
That is crazy. Bro, that is. Bro, look at that Coco. Bro, look how much that's it. Bro, that's crazy. Bro, I got the flow. Bro, look at Super Saiyan 3 go on, bro. Hey, Stephanie, look at you.
Well, that's the concept right there. Appreciate you, man.
That's all. Get a little bit more and.
I've never really been a fan of Sonic rockets. More of an old school. Give me a Harley, a Apache, something like that. All this over here, too. We're actually about to walk by my car now. Over here, no, it's on the other side from the Japanese.
A little bit of white food on the car.
Yeah.
This is why I love anime. But look at the energy. Look at all this good energy here. Beautiful weather, beautiful breeze.
When I like clean my car, I'm like, I've been seeing when people's cars are dirty as hell and then they just gotta clean for this.
And they got a food truck right here too.
And this bitch going crazy.